Hey y'all, it's my 175th video journal / journey. You see that big bruise on my arm? I don't know how I got that. I have no idea. Anyway, I just had a major case of the hiccups, which gave me a headache. So I'm about to have to take something before I go to bed for the headache. And I don't feel like the hiccups are completely gone. I feel like I'm about to start them again. But hopefully that's not the case. So, I apologize for not getting on sooner. I've been mostly cleaning today. So, that's mostly been my day. Anyway, I'm heading to bed. I want to send out love, light, and healing energy. Ask that you pass it on. And until tomorrow, rest well, y'all. Later.